So we all want a little treat now and then, but we know too much sugar is really not good for us.
That's why we're always excited to be making healthy treats today for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And the ladies of Real Cookies are here. Welcome, Lauren and Marla.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us back.
Oh, it's our pleasure. We love having you guys here.
Thank
you bring such decadent treats, and they're all pretty good for you.
Yes, they are. They're all healthy.
Again, tell us how you got the company started.
Well, Marla and I have known each other for almost 20 years.
That's amazing.
And we had dietary restrictions in our family. We couldn't find a cookie that tasted great. So we decided we were going to make one ourselves.
Make one. Why not?
Yeah, so all our cookies are grain-free, gluten-free, all plant-based, and absolutely delicious.
But so there they are, real cookies, and that's just the beginning. But then you're really showing people how, I mean, you guys love to entertain, love to have desserts, and you think, oh, I can't have anything if I can't have dairy or gluten or this or that. But you've got mousses. Show us how we can have Valentine's Day and make it decadent, but actually good for us.
Yeah, we wanted to show you how you could spread the love all day long.
I love that.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Spreading the love.
Spreading the love.
Exactly. So we're going to start with chocolate for breakfast.
Yeah,
okay.
Why not?
Yes. Why not?
So chocolate-covered strawberries are a staple for Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
So here we have a delicious but healthy version that you can drink for breakfast.
Wow.
Super easy. You just take the ingredients, strawberries, chocolate, some almond milk yogurt, and some nut butter, and some protein powder. Mix it all up in your blender, and here you have these delicious sweetheart smoothies.
Now, the chocolate, is it any type of chocolate, or what should you...
Well, if you'd like, you can use just plain cocoa powder. If you want to add extra, but we have dairy-free chocolate chips in here.
Dairy-free chocolate chips.
They're dairy-free chocolate chips.
Yeah, it tastes like a chocolate-covered strawberry. And just like that, so
really
easy
does.
to make in a blender. The next recipe is also just so simple and easy to make in a blender. What do you think of that?
So yummy. Do you have a certain protein powder that you like that tastes perfect and chocolatey like that, or do you make your own?
Well, we love Doc's protein powder.
Doc's?
Doc's. It's called Doc's Slim Shot Protein Powder, and it's a
DOC?
chocanilla. Yes.
DOCK. Oh, it's very good because sometimes
Yeah,
they're
it's
gritty.
Dr.
This is really
Colker's
good. Yeah.
It's
protein
delicious.
powder. It's really great.
Okay.
So next we're going to move along to another easy recipe to make in the blender. It has 3 ingredients, but before I tell you the ingredients, I'm going to have you taste it.
Okay. This is
Chocolate mousse with your real
It's
cookie
chocolate
garnish.
mousse. It's creamy. It's delicious.
And look how pretty it is.
And
we have
it's
to guess. Well, I'll let Scott guess.
right,
'cause
and
I
it's
kind of know.
decorated just with a real cookie and a raspberry.
So simple things that can just make it festive for the holiday.
Right. So 3 simple ingredients. You can see 2 right here: maple syrup and cocoa powder, and there is 1 more. Can you guess?
I can't guess. Can you guess?
I know what it is.
I know what it...
I have them right here.
It's avocado.
You got it.
Avocado.
Avocados. So simple,
That is
so
wonderful.
healthy, and so
Who's going to know
easy.
that that's in there?
Not.
I love avocado on its own, but if it's in my chocolate, it's even better.
I mean, avocado toast, if it's chocolate, is even better.
Exactly.
No,
That would be a good breakfast
Right,
idea
and
as well.
again, you put anything in a pretty little dish, a little container, you decorate it with a cookie, a raspberry, it just makes it a little bit more special.
An avocado, we get our healthy fats and our protein, but you don't have to feel guilty about this dessert. So you
Right.
just take avocado, cocoa powder, and then
Maple
just
syrup.
enough maple syrup for sweetness, and just
Yeah.
do it to taste.
Yeah,
or-
I used about 3 avocados, half a cup of maple syrup, and a half a cup of cocoa powder.
Yeah,
Okay,
give this
so
to the kids.
equal ratio of syrup.
Yeah,
to
and you can
cocoa.
add a little bit more syrup if you like it a little sweeter, a little less if you like it less
then
sweet,
look at
but
it.
really simple.
Looks like
Beautiful.
And this is all good for us. We're getting all
All good
this
for you,
food.
and avocados help lower your cholesterol.
Well, if it's good for us, let's just keep eating.
Exactly.
Yes.
And we have a final treat that we made. We take our real cookies and we just dip them in chocolate and then pick your favorite sprinkles. And
We
there's
ha-
a lot of gluten-free and dairy-free sprinkles out there.
Yeah, so we have some you could try.
Okay.
It's so simple. You can melt chocolate either in a double boiler, which is just a little water that you boil, put a bowl on top, or you can put it in the microwave, and just take a cookie.
So careful,
you
you just wanna kind of use kind of-
slowly stir the chocolate until it melts. You dip the cookie in the chocolate,
Dip it in.
and then just put a little sprinkles, and you let it sit on a parchment paper sheet.
you can just put it right
and
on the
in
cookie
15
sheet.
minutes to a half an hour,
Now,
you're all set.
do you put them in the refrigerator, or no, you just let them set?
You can. I just let them
then you
set,
can
but
use
you
spoon or
can if
just
you
your
want it
hands
to go
and pick
quicker. You
whichever
can put them in the
sprinkles.
refrigerator.
And is your whole family just going to be in love with you now that you've come up with all these treats for Valentine's Day?
Yes, absolutely. They've been actually making these treats with us.
Oh, have they?
Yes, and it's a lot of fun to do with your family, with a friend.
Look at that.
You can
Look at how
swirl it
pretty.
around a little bit,
Isn't that beautiful?
and then just pick. Everyone has some sprinkles in their cabinet that they can add.
Here we go.
Your sprinkles are so pretty. Are they also good for you?
They are. They're all healthy. You can get sprinkles at Whole Foods, on Amazon, whatever sprinkles you like, you can add to the cookie.
Okay, these are really like extra sprinkles.
Oh, look at that!
Yeah.
Look at look at this, Rich. You got to get a close up of this. It's a
masterpiece.
So awesome. It's a masterpiece right here. Look at that! Look what Scott Haney made. It's so awesome. I love that.
I think mine needs a little more decoration.
All right, so for those people are out there saying, I have an idea for a business. Tell us a little bit about. Is it hard to run a business or to start a business?
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
And
okay,
so we spend every day together, either on the phone or in person, managing the day-to-day details of running the business. And it's a lot of fun. There are a lot of challenges, but
Pardon me.
a lot of sales calls to go on.
Yeah.
But we're really enjoying it.
We're enjoying it, and there's a lot of creativity. For Valentine's Day, we put together this Valentine's box, and it has a sampler of our cookies, and also these awesome cards. So little note cards, messages from the heart that you can send along in this adorable box. It has all 3 of our cookies.
And how do we get that?
On our website.
Just go to the website.
Yeah, realcookiesco.com.
Realcookiesco.com.
Yeah, and there's actually a discount code for Great Day Connecticut viewers, which is Great Day 22, and it's 10% off.
Great Day 22, you get, okay, so the year, Great Day 22, and you get 10% off. So we can ship these if you, and this is great, like if you have a loved one who has allergies, then you can, I mean, for anyone really, but that just shows how much you're thinking of them.
Yeah, and what's so great is that we made the cookies because we had people in our family that had dietary restrictions, but we had taste testers that had no dietary restrictions.
Oh, that's great.
And when
Best of
they
both
loved the
worlds.
cookies, we knew we had a great recipe.
Yeah, that's fantastic. And
Yeah.
you're still friends.
We are great friends. We're like
great
sisters.
friends, Yes.
So you can do it. You can be creative, have a business, and do what you love. See, if you do what you love, you never work a day in your
Yes,
life.
exactly. Exactly.
All right, thank you, ladies. This is delicious. And
Again,
definitely
that,
try this avocado at home.
Give
The
us that
avocado
code
mix.
again. It's
Great Day 22.
okay.
Right.
And
And so you-
realcookiesco.com.
Yes.
All right, thanks, ladies. We appreciate it.
Thank you so
Happy
much.
Valentine's Day.
Happy
Yeah.
Valentine's Day
Happy
to you
Valentine's
guys.
Day. All right, coming up on A Great Day, Connecticut, we're going to be talking to an inspirational local Paralympian who's overcome obstacles and has now written a book so we can all learn from it.
And if you're flicking through the channels and apps trying to figure out what to watch next, we've got some great suggestions, so stay with us.